Welcome back to today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because I'm going to be going over how much money you need to start your own Shopify e-commerce store in 2022. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30. This channel is for business owners looking to scale their business with paid ads, systems, creating more resistible offers, and ultimately making more money. So make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So first things first, what you're going to need is a Shopify store, right? Shopify, and we could put like a list here or whatever the case may be. You're gonna need a Shopify theme, a Shopify plan. So Shopify plan is $29. Shopify theme you can get off, I recommend this guy on Fiverr. His username is AJ_web solution. He does themes for about $100. A logo is going to cost you $10. So we have $29, $100, and about $10 for a logo. If you want some website banners, we can add another $10 to that. Other things you're going to need are some apps within Shopify. So the first app is going to be Luke's, which is where you can put your photo reviews or customer-based reviews. That's $9 a month. Then you're going to need Pagefly. Pagefly is a custom landing page software. So yes, you get your theme built because you need that theme to be like the website domain or the overall foundation of the store, but you also need it for compliance reasons to get accepted for Google Ads, to get accepted for a payment processor, your LLC, etc. So you just want to get this foundational thing, hashed out. I'm going to be using Pagefly to build out a custom homepage, custom product page, custom collections page, so that I can give my store a way sexier flair than just using a regular default Shopify store, and that's $29 a month. Okay, so it's not a lot of money at all. Once you build out the Shopify theme for the $100, then you have your logo for $10, you got your plan for $29, you got your logo for $10, you got Pagefly for $29. You might want to go hire a website developer on Fiverr to build the landing page for you, and that's going to cost you, for 3 landing pages, maybe $60. So we can add that. So if you write the copy, you write the offer, you give it to a website developer who's good at Pagefly, they can then build you your own custom homepage, your own custom product page and collections page, and those 3 pages can get done for under $60. So we can add that to the list. Next thing you're going to need is, creatives. So creatives, you're going to need video creatives to run ads with. So I would go to either billow.app, which is like an actual, it's basically like a website forum where you can find influencers to make videos for you. You ship the product to them, they make it, and it's starting at $69. So we can add that to the list. And then also you can try bandsofads.com where you can get 3 video variations of the same exact ad angle for under $60 as well. So we could just put an average for video creatives at 60. I'm trying to keep this list about under $400 because I think that it's very feasible to get all these things built out for under $400. Now obviously it doesn't include the LLC and stuff because the LLC is going to cost you over $200. Because you want to get a single member LLC and then file as an S Corp. That's going to save you a ton of money. Obviously, consult an attorney or an accountant for that kind of advice, but that's just what I've done. Another thing is going to be, warming up your Facebook page with a little bit of ad traffic. So what I always recommend is I run an engagement campaign in the beginning for page likes. I give my Facebook page, recognition, getting it page likes, getting it followers, giving it the social proof that it needs in case people ever click your ads later on, they see your profile and they see 0 likes, odds are they're not going to convert. But if they go to your page and see over 1,000, that's at least enough social proof to really hash away the sale or the click through, on your ad to get them to be a buyer. So that's going to require maybe $50 for a page likes ad. We'd run a $10 a day campaign for 5 days and just rack up a good amount of page likes, run a worldwide ad, and that's going to help you, build, some type of, sustainability as far as social proof for the page to perform well. Also warms up the ad account, verifies your payment method, helps with Facebook compliance as well. But those are the biggest things that you will need to really get an e-com store off the ground. And then obviously Oberlo, Alibaba, AliExpress, those kind of apps you can get for $9 to $15 a month to find products, source products, and start importing them on your store. So you actually have stuff to sell. And then obviously based on the products that you know that are trending, that are doing well, then you would go to Bands Off ads, or you would go to, there's also dropship ads, then there's Billo. You would then take that product and go get videos made for it once you find that trending product. So I hope this video gave you some perspective on how easy it is to actually start an e-com business in 2022. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for daily videos just like this one. So thanks again. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30.